Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get S gear in Archero 2. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so S gear, super gear, is one of the highest tier equipment types in Archero 2, offering huge boosts to your stats and making your hero much stronger. Getting it takes time, effort and a bit of strategy. So there's a few different ways how we can obtain this S gear. So the first way is crafting and upgrading gear, so collecting materials and blueprints from battles, events and chests. So fuse lower rank gear, A gear to S gear. Crafting requires a lot of coins and upgrade stones, so focus on farming daily missions. Another way how we can obtain this is chest and lucky draws. So open epic or legendary chest in the shop, participate in lucky spin events where S gear sometimes appears, and save up gems for special gear summon events with higher S gear drop rates. And another way is purchasing in shop. So if we go ahead and click into shop, now S gear or fragments sometimes appear in the in-game shop for gems or real currency. So look out for discount packs that include guaranteed S gear. And the last way how we can obtain this is by events and limited time mode. So some special events reward S gear fragments directly. So keep an eye on these seasonal updates and limited time challenges for exclusive drops.